Recently we went to a field trip where we got to work on the food truck and I thought it was amazing.
Most people think being a chef is that you could just cook. Being a chef to me means you could run a successful business.
The financial skills we learn are absolutely applicable to everywhere else.
It also gives you the opportunity to figure out your own personal area and how you feel your style is.
You guys ready to go?
I want to start a business when I get out of high school.
Personally, I would want to own my own business.
When you think about construction and building a restaurant, you got to run all the wires.
For them to feel like they're a part of something cool is very important to them.
This is the mushroom tofu sisig made in the Intuit Food Truck.
I'm really pouring my eye on this one. This class has been like a whole wonder to just explore the world and see a new side of cooking, which I never thought I would know.